Second half action now. The Jamaica All-Schools team departed the island on Thursday for Florida, where they'll compete in the annual Caribbean Americas Soccer Association Under-19 tournament in Fort Lauderdale. The team of 22 players that will be coached by Keon Broderick and Omar Wedderburn will start their campaign on Friday against the Turcas at 8:30 p.m. and then on Saturday against a Spanish Under-19 team also at 8:30. The final will be played on Sunday. According to ISA's league director, Ewan Scott, the tournament is another opportunity for the players to catch the eyes of overseas scouts.
Another opportunity for the youngsters to be seen by the college scouts. We had a similar one last weekend where we had the All-Augusta All-Manning team where we had over 25 overseas coach coming down. Here is another opportunity for the youngsters to display their talents, and hopefully at the end of the tournament the Jamaica team will be victorious as we did last year.
Of course, the Jamaican team will open against the Techers.